Yes, the soap trick can be reused for future slow drains as long as it continues to clear the buildup. For a durable and repeatable approach, start by identifying the type of clog you are dealing with, since hair and grease respond differently to simple treatments. For hair clogs, use a solid bar soap grated finely. Then pour hot but not boiling water to soften and carry the soap through the pipe. The soap acts as a lubricant and can bind small hair clumps and carry them downstream. For grease or soap scum, a combination of grated soap and very hot water can help melt and emulsify the residue so it flows away, but follow with a flush of cool water to solidify any remaining soap downstream and prevent migration into traps. Always use a plunger or a hand crank drain snake for mechanical agitation after applying the soap, so you do not rely solely on chemical action. Push and pull slowly and feel for resistance to avoid breaking the snake tip. If you have a P-trap that can be accessed, remove it carefully to inspect and clean manually, wearing gloves and catching debris in a bucket. This prevents repeated recurrences from a trapped buildup. Maintain preventative habits by running hot water for at least 30 seconds after each wash, using a simple drain screen to catch hair and larger particles, and repeating the soap treatment only when performance drops. Common mistakes include relying on the soap trick for very stubborn or hard blockages, which will only delay the inevitable. If the soap does not improve flow after 2 applications, you should use a mechanical snake or call for professional help. Another mistake is using boiling water with older plastic pipes, which can soften or deform them. Always use very hot but not boiling water when plastics are present, and check your piping material first. A third issue is assuming soap will clear grease long term. Soap can emulsify grease temporarily, but grease can re-solidify further down the line, so combine soap with routine hot water flushes and periodic manual cleaning of accessible traps. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community where people share practical tips like this soap trick and other sustainable fixes. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners actively seeking projects and advice.